The secret to living is giving. And right now, I want to give thanks to every single person, every member that is a part of this community and family, this movement, this culture of real life trading, this culture of awareness, this culture of growth, of love, of charity, of abundance, and of prosperity. 8 years, my dear friends, that is how long real life trading has been impacting individuals and enriching lives around the world. And it's all because of you. Thank you so much for allowing me, for giving me the opportunity to really live in my fullness and my greatness, to let my light shine and to truly do what I was called on this earth to do, which is to enrich lives. Thank you. I love you. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. I wish you and your family the most beautiful time together. I'd like to thank you for your smiles, your love, for spending time with me, with Real Life Trading. I want to remind you just how great you are and how grateful we are that you are part of our family and that we get to be a part of your family. Thank you and enjoy your Thanksgiving and this holiday season.
I'm here in the beautiful Smoky Mountains, visiting family, just being grateful and blessed for all of you guys. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, everyone. I'd like to thank you all for being part of the Real Life Trading community. Without you, there would be no community, and I'm extremely thankful that you're here. So wishing you and your families all of the best over the holidays. Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey team, just wanted to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving from Robert Thompson III, aka RT3. Thanksgiving is a great time to be grateful for what we have and what we got here. And it's a good opportunity to take some time out to remember why we got into this business in the first place. Usually it's the people and the places in our lives that are most important to us that have motivated us to be here. So I hope you take the time to remember that, be grateful for those people in your life. Having said that, a little back trading never hurt anybody. Peace.